2020, COVID, I think we all remember that. We're shopping for a house for like 4 months, maybe longer. My wife is pregnant, very pregnant. She's exhausted. We're all exhausted. Done, over it. And there's one more house on the list, literally, last house. And it's new construction, 4 acres, great schools, great neighborhood, great everything, really, except no studio. Had to choose. So is it a perfect house for the family or a perfect studio for me? Can't have both. My wife was flexible, but honestly, she was at that point where if it has a roof, let's just get it. And that is seriously her exact words. I don't blame her. So we did. We bought it, and the garage, it is. And no complaints, not one, because here's what I learned. You don't need a perfect studio to make perfect art. You just need commitment. You need to show up. You need to not let anything really bother you. And the garage taught me that. The granddaddy long legs in the corner, the rakes and shovels hanging up, the red tool chest, tomatoes growing 10 feet away. You know, this isn't Instagram clean. This is real. And honestly, I'm not sure I would change it. So everything you see in my courses, the loose approach, the construct to deconstruct philosophy, all born right here in the garage. So if you want perfect conditions, if you want perfect art, not going to find it here. But I will show up and I will keep working. That's the secret.